Power BI is important because it provides a suite of business intelligence tools that allow users to gather, analyze, and visualize data in an interactive and compelling way. Here is a sample course content for Power BI. 1. Introduction to Power BI. Overview of Power BI. Why Power BI is important for data analysis and visualization. The Power BI platform and its components: Power BI Desktop, Power BI Service, Power BI Report Server. 2. Getting started with Power BI Desktop. Setting up Power BI Desktop. Understanding the Power BI Desktop interface. Importing and shaping data from various sources: Excel, SQL Server, SharePoint, etc. Creating relationships between tables. 3. Visualizations in Power BI. Creating basic visualizations, bar charts, line charts, pie charts, etc. Customizing visualizations, formatting, adding labels, etc. Advanced visualizations, maps, gauges, KPIs, etc. Using Power BI Stacks language for data calculations. 4. Publishing and sharing Power BI reports. Publishing reports to Power BI Service. Sharing reports with others. Collaborating on reports in Power BI Service. Managing report access and security. 5. Power BI Report Server. Overview of Power BI Report Server. Deploying Power BI reports to Power BI Report Server. Managing reports in Power BI Report Server. Advantages of using Power BI Report Server over Power BI Service. 6. Power BI for data analysis and insights. Creating interactive reports and dashboards. Using Power BI's Q&A feature for natural language queries. Using Power BI's data exploration and visualization tools, drill through, drill down, cross-filtering, etc. Discovering trends and patterns in your data. 7. Power BI integrations. Integrating Power BI with other Microsoft products: Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI Embedded. Integrating Power BI with other third-party tools: Tableau, ClickView, etc. Integrating Power BI with cloud-based data sources: Azure SQL Database, Azure Data Warehouse, etc. 8. Power BI tips and tricks. Best practices for Power BI report design. Power BI performance optimization techniques. Power BI shortcuts and keyboard shortcuts. Power BI customization options. 9. Conclusion. Recap of the key concepts covered in the course. Discussion of real-world Power BI use cases. Final thoughts and next steps for Power BI learning and development.